Fix buffering, blank screens and errors, step by step. Important disclaimer. This guide is for tech educational and troubleshooting purposes only. We do not support or promote any pirated, illegal, or unpaid content. Always make sure you are using legal, licensed, and paid services. This guide is designed to help users understand why streaming issues happen, how internet settings can affect performance, how to fix common connection problems. Common problems this guide fixes. If you are experiencing buffering, blank screen, app not loading, channels not playing, random errors, follow this guide step by step. Part 1. Quick fix. Use a VPN. If your service suddenly stops working, this is the fastest way to test and fix it. A VPN can help bypass network restrictions, ISP filtering, traffic throttling. How to use a VPN. Step by step. Step 1. Install a VPN. Go to your device's app store. Search for a trusted VPN. Download and install. Step 2. Open the VPN app. Launch the VPN. Log into your account. Step 3. Connect to a server. Try different locations like Europe, Germany, Netherlands, Sweden, nearby regions in your country, different major cities. You may need to try a few locations. Step 4. Tap Connect. Wait until it shows connected. Step 5. Reopen your app. Close your streaming app completely. Reopen it and test important. A VPN is a temporary fix. It works quickly, but it does not solve the root cause. For a long-term fix, continue below. Part 2. Permanent fix. Most important. Most streaming issues today are caused by built-in security features from your internet provider. These features are automatically turned on and may block connections, block ports, interfere with streaming apps. How to turn off internet security features. Step 1. Open your internet provider app. Use the official app from your internet provider. If you don't have it, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Log into your account. Use your internet account login details. Step 3. Find security settings. Look for sections like Security, Advanced Security, Protection, Privacy, Safe Browsing, Firewall, Parental Controls. Names may vary depending on your provider. Step 4. Turn off these features. Disable anything like Advanced Security, Security Shield, Threat Protection, Safe Browsing, Web Protection. If it says on, switch it off. Step 5. Save changes. Confirm or apply settings if required. Some warnings are normal. Step 6. Restart your internet. Unplug your modem/router. Wait 2-3 minutes. Plug it back in. Wait for full connection. Step 7. Restart your device. Restart your streaming device, smart TV, phone or tablet. Then test your app again. If you can't find the settings, contact your internet provider and say, "Can you help me disable any security features like advanced security, safe browsing, or anything that may block connections or ports?" Final tips. VPN equals quick temporary fix. Turning off security features equals long-term fix. In most cases, turning off these features solves 80 and 90% of streaming issues. Final message. Streaming issues today are rarely the app itself. Most problems come from internet restrictions, security filtering, network interference. Once you fix that, everything runs smoother. This guide is designed to help you stay informed and troubleshoot smarter. Don't forget to check our Amazon stores for Google-certified Android boxes as well below Amazon Canada. http://amazon.ca/forevergem. Amazon USA http://amazon.com forevergem.